Hello guys, welcome to my channel and today I'm here to talk about episode number 18 of Tokyo Revengers, and they just blue balled all of us again. Just like every other week, again. Can they just not do it for once? Like for once, can they just show us what we want to see? Just for once. They reached the point where the fight starts and then they were like, oh, that's it, 20 minutes up. Guess we'll see you next week. Every time. Every time, like it's I don't know, man. Let's just talk about the episode, okay? So another shocker, Baji also dies. So yeah, it was not just Kazutora. The reason Mikey killed Kazutora was because Baji also died in front of him. Now that kind of makes me believe that Kazutora killed Baji. But why would Kazutora kill Baji? Because Baji is on Kazutora's side, and we, like in the previous episode, Matsuno was like, he's trying to spy on he's trying to spy on Kisaki, right? That's why Baji joined Valhalla, because that's what he's trying to do. That, at least that's what Matsuno thinks. And he said that Baji didn't say it on his own, but that's what he thinks. And I was like, kinda iffy on it, but then it was like, why would Baji even take Kazutora's side when Kazutora is just in the wrong in everything? Like, why would he take his side? So I thought that maybe what Matsuno was saying is gonna be correct, but that doesn't seem to be the case. That still could be. Maybe still Baji was just lying in front of them. That still could be the case. But it seems like Baji is on Kazutora's side, and I really don't know why that would make any sense, because Baji is also Mikey's childhood friend too. So I don't know how that would make any sense, honestly, like why he would be on Kazutora's side. But I guess we'll get some explanation later. And also, I hate Kazutora. Like, he was talking to Draken, right? And Draken's like, let's just put a stop on this. Let's not fight. Mikey doesn't want this. We don't want this. You're still our friend, right? And Kazutora was just not willing to do that. And we get to know that even Mikey gave a good testimony, so that he would not go in jail for that long, And at the end of the day, Mikey's brother died. Kazutora killed him, and he still, because he was a friend, he still ended up giving a good testimony and ended up reducing his punishment a bit. And still, Kazutora hates Mikey because he's like, well, my 2 years were, spent behind the bars. So yeah, he at this point is pretty delusional. He went insane when he killed Mikey's brother. He was like, okay, it's all Mikey's fault. And yeah, from that time he just has been deranged, and he's not in his right mind. And yeah, I don't like Kazutora. In fact, I would be really happy if Kazutora actually died. Not died, but at least out of the story. I don't like Kazutora, honestly. And the main thing now, their goal is to save Baji, because if Baji doesn't die, Mikey does not go really super mad and does not end up killing Kazutora. And again, it is all Kisaki's plan. Kazutora was just a bait there to make Mikey do certain things, and he will become the acting president later. Kisaki will become that, and Kisaki is we still don't see much of him. They're just building up really good, and I guess we're gonna see some fight of him, and maybe this fight, maybe we see Kisaki fighting a bit. But I doubt. And every time Hanma's on screen, I'm just super happy. I'm like, yeah, that's my boy Hanma there. Even though he's on the opposite side of our guys, every time I see Hanma, I get hyped. I don't know, I just like Hanma. He's a cool character, that's all. And every time I see him, it's just all hype. And he's also there. And who would kill Baji? As I said, Kazutora. It would not make sense. Maybe mid-fight Baji ends up switching sides and Kazutora ends up killing him. Because of that, Mikey goes mad, but could be somebody else who kills Baji. But then if somebody else killed Baji, why would Mikey go mad on Kazutora? So leads me to believe that Kazutora is the one who killed Baji, maybe by accident, or as I said, maybe Baji switches sides mid-battle, tries to explain Kazutora. Maybe Kazutora's just going a bit too far, and then Baji tries to stop him, and that Kazutora ends up killing Baji, or Baji tries to explain to him that tries to, it gets on Toman's side in short, right? And that's why Kazutora kills him. So and we are not even sure at this point, like, if Kazutora is the one who killed him. So it's all you have to just wait for the next week. And I don't even know if they're gonna show everything next week. The way they do it, they never show everything. Like, they just show you some stuff and they're like, you can wait for the next week. Wait for the next week. You don't have any other option. You can go and pick up the manga if you want, but I don't want to pick up the manga before the anime is over, because then weekly reviewing that episode isn't that fun. So that's why I'm just holding on to the manga. Otherwise, like, after I think so episode 4 or 5, I would have picked up the manga. I was just that invested into the story. So yeah, its next episode is gonna be insane. Let's see what ends up happening with Baji, Kazutora, Hanma, Kisaki, Mikey. Like, there's a lot of things that could happen. So yeah, that was it for episode number 18. Let me know what did you guys feel about it in the comments below. I will be here for episode 19 next week. So till then, have a great time. I'll meet you in the next one.